Hi parents, so now I'm about to show you how to access Google Classroom. In order to do that, you're going to need this code, which is on your login card as well. And you'll also need your G Suite login, which we also use to sign into Seesaw. Now, just before I get started, I want to explain that Google Classroom is being used predominantly in Key Stage 2 because it tends to work and the functionality of it for the older children, and it's far more appropriate for them than it is for the Key Stage 1 children. So that's why we use Seesaw predominantly in Key Stage 1 and Google Classroom in Key Stage 2. Let's get started then. I just need to go onto Google and type in Google Classroom. And you can see this top one, it says edu.google. That's not actually the correct link. That takes you to a screen where teachers can learn more about it. But this one, classroom.google.com, that will take you there straight away to Google Classroom. And then I'm going to select Go to Classroom. It's asking me to sign in straight away. So remember, I'm signing in with my Google account. I always look for where it says Google at the top, and you can recognize that that's G Suite. So that's the username that I need to be using. And again, I'm going to use my long username that I used last time. And after this point, after using the long username, I'm going to need to use my shortened one, which I'm just going to do now. And the same password. The password's always the same across both G Suite and LGFL. Brilliant. So this has taken me into the home page where my classes are. And you can see the login that I've used is already part of Benini class from last year. But in this case, I need to join a 2020-2021 class. In order to do this then, I need to find the plus button at the top of my screen to create a class. And, sorry, not create, to join a class. Creating would be if you were a teacher and that's what you wanted to do. And you can see that where I'm signed in as the pupil that I want to be signed in as here. Sometimes I sometimes make the mistake that I end up signing in on my personal account, and therefore it won't let you join the class. It needs to end with @kingscrossacademy.org.uk because our classes are locked to what's called our domain. So class code, and I'm going to type in the class code that's been provided on the login card that you've been given. And then select join in the top right of your screen. And you can see it's taken me straight into the class this time, and it's loaded up on the stream so I can see everybody's work, and I could use the classwork tab to have a look at some of my assignments that have been set for me. After this point, if you want to leave the class, or if you just go to Google Classroom again, you will see this time that it remembers me, and the Google Classroom, as long as I'm signed in, will always come up for me, and it means I can enter it just by clicking it like that. So that's how you get onto Google Classroom using the login card that has been sent home with you. I hope that helps. Thank you.